is what you're looking. So the first thing to be aware about the COT report, for those of you who aren't familiar, is when the data's published versus when it's collected. So this is Friday's data, or so this is yeah, this is Friday's data, but it's based on the 10th of February. So what that means, if there's any data after the 10th of February, it's not contained in this report. But what you're looking for is you're looking for positions that are really overstretched. So here, Aussie dollars long, CAD dollar long. What you're looking for is a sudden reason to sell the Aussie or the CAD because you know all those longs have to unwind. That's the way I use it, right? And usually you can just tell, okay, where markets are at. So at the moment, pound is like right in the middle of the percentile range. So, okay, markets are buyers selling the pound, but it's not too stretched. So if there's suddenly a reason to sell the pound, that means pound weakness has some legs to go. And so you look at that euro pound long, right? The euro is stretched to the upside, great. If we suddenly see the pound get stretched to the downside, then euro pound upside makes more sense. Yen quite heavily sold. So, that gave us probably give us a little pop on the election news. So that's the way to look at it, TM, is look for it when it's really stretched in one direction and then look for a clear reason to buy or sell. So, say the Canadian dollar, so there's suddenly a strong reason to sell the CAD, then you'd be looking at the CAD based on its stretched positioning. That's the way I use it, TM. And every now and then you just get caught into a really good trade, and you can see, and you want to watch when the market's wrong-footed. Does that make sense? Yeah. So yeah, just the only thing to remember is just always remember this bit here. It says on just always think, TM, okay, it's published on the third Friday, but the data's collected on the 10th. So let me say there was some really big data that came out on the 11th or the 12th. It means that that may not be an accurate reflection anymore because of the delay.